Did you think email marketing for your print-on-demand store would be easy? I did. I spent 6 months trying every email strategy I could find and tested over 50 different campaigns. But it was such a struggle because I was making every email marketing mistake possible. I wish I'd known how to do it smarter from the start. Most pod store owners are losing 70% of their potential customers because they're making critical email marketing mistakes. These errors literally kill sales and keep your business stuck at beginner levels. But after discovering OmniSend and fixing these 5 deadly mistakes, my email marketing started working like it was supposed to, turning visitors into customers consistently. So to help you make email marketing work for your pod business easier, here are 5 critical mistakes I learned to avoid that will help you turn your email list into a money-making machine. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix these issues and start seeing real results from your email campaigns. To get started, you need to open an account with OmniSend if you don't already have one. To do this, you can go directly to omnisend.com/MarianaMontoya and use my discount code MarianaMontoya, which will give you a 30% discount. Mistake 1. Not capturing emails from product browsers. This is the biggest mistake that's costing pod store owners thousands in lost sales every single month. I used to think people would just buy on their first visit to my store, but the reality is that 97% of visitors leave without buying anything, and without their email, they're gone forever. I was literally watching potential customers disappear with no way to bring them back. Open OmniSend and go to Forms. This is where we're going to fix this immediately. Click Create Form and select the pop-up template that says Collect Subscribers. Here's the key. Don't just offer a generic discount. Create a pop-up that speaks directly to POD customers. Right? Something like, get 15% off your first custom design plus exclusive new releases delivered to your inbox. Under targeting, make sure it only shows to new visitors so you're not annoying returning customers. The magic happens in the success message. Instead of just saying, thanks, tell them exactly what to expect. Check your email for your discount code and be the first to see our newest designs. This sets the right expectations and gets them excited to open your emails. Mistake 2. Sending boring welcome emails that don't convert. Most POD store owners send one boring welcome email and wonder why nobody buys anything. My first welcome email was literally just, thanks for subscribing, here's your discount code. My open rates were terrible and almost nobody used the discount. But when I created a proper welcome series, everything changed. People started actually engaging with my emails and using their discount codes. In OmniSend, go to Automation and click Create Workflow. Select Welcome Series. This is going to be your money-making sequence. Here's the winning formula. For the email number 1, send it immediately with their discount code and your best-selling designs. Then email 2 goes out after 2 days and tells your brand story, why you started your pod business, what makes your design special. Email 3 is the game changer. Send it after 5 days and showcase customer photos wearing your designs. And to add photos or make any changes to our emails, we just click on the Edit Content button. And this is where we can add the photo section and arrange any part of our email so that it looks exactly how we want it to. Social proof is absolutely everything in POD. People need to see others loving your products before they'll buy. This sequence nurtures new subscribers instead of just throwing a discount at them and hoping for the best. Mistake 3. Ignoring abandoned cart recovery. This mistake is literally leaving money on the table, and it's the easiest one to fix. Before I set up abandoned cart emails, I was watching people add items to their cart and then just disappear. It was so frustrating knowing they were interested but had no way to remind them. After implementing OmniSend's abandoned cart sequence, I started recovering a significant portion of those lost sales automatically. Go to OmniSend's automation section and click abandoned cart. This pre-built workflow is absolutely perfect for POD stores. The first email sends 1 hour after cart abandonment with the subject line, "Forgot something awesome?" Show the exact products they left behind with high quality images. Email 2 goes out after 24 hours and addresses common POD concerns. Still thinking it over. Here's what our customers love about this design. Include reviews and sizing information. Email 3 is your final push after 3 days. Offer a small additional discount like complete your order and get free shipping. Or add another design and save 20%. The key is making each email feel helpful, not pushy. You're reminding them about products they already wanted, not trying to convince them to buy something new. Mistake 4. Not segmenting your email list. Sending the same email to everyone is like shouting into a crowd and hoping someone listens. I used to send every email to my entire list, and my open rates were stuck around 15%. But when I started segmenting by purchase behavior and interests, my open rates jumped to 35% and my click rates doubled. Different customers want different things, and treating them all the same kills engagement. In Omnisend, go to Audience and click Segments. Create these essential segments for your pod store. First-time buyers, repeat customers, high spenders, and design category interests. Create a VIP customers segment for people who've spent over $100. Send them exclusive previews of new collections and special discounts. These customers are gold. Treat them like it. To create this segmentation, simply select the customer behavior option and choose high value, or you can choose certain requirements that they must meet in order to become one, and your segment will be ready for your VIP customers. This targeted approach makes every email feel personal and relevant, which dramatically improves your results. Mistake 5. Forgetting to follow up after purchases. Most pod store owners think the sale is the end, but it's actually just the beginning of building a profitable relationship. I used to celebrate each sale and move on to finding new customers, but I was missing out on repeat purchases and referrals. When I started following up with post-purchase emails, customers started buying again and even recommending my store to their friends. Set up a post-purchase automation in Omnisend that starts immediately after someone buys. To do this, we will use the automation section again and select the transactional option to create a workflow in shipping confirmation. Email 1 goes out right after purchase. Your order is confirmed. Here's what happens next with tracking information and care instructions. Email 2 sends when the order ships with a tracking number and a message like, "Your awesome design is on its way. Can't wait for you to love it." Email 3 is the moneymaker. Send it 7 days after delivery asking for a photo review. How does your new design look? Share a photo and get 20% off your next order. This generates social proof and encourages repeat purchases. This sequence turns one-time buyers into loyal customers who buy again and again. In POD, repeat customers are your most profitable revenue source. I know some of you might be thinking, this sounds like a lot of work, or I can't afford another monthly expense. Let me put this in perspective for you. Hiring an email marketing agency costs $2,000 to $5,000 per month, and they don't understand POD businesses like you do. With Omnisend, you get professional email marketing for a fraction of that cost. Plus, you maintain complete control over your messaging. And here's something that will absolutely blow your mind. Email marketing generates $42 for every $1 spent in e-commerce. That's literally a 4,200% return on investment, which is insane compared to any other marketing channel. And if you're worried about the time investment, remember, you set these automations up once and they work 24/7 to recover lost sales and build customer relationships. Most successful POD store owners spend maybe 2 hours per month on email marketing, but it becomes one of their most important revenue sources. The biggest objection I hear is, my customers don't check email. Actually, your customers absolutely check email, they're just not checking boring, irrelevant emails. When you fix these 5 mistakes, your emails become something customers actually want to receive because they're helpful, personal, and valuable. Look, successful POD businesses aren't just lucky with their designs. They have systems that turn visitors into customers and customers into repeat buyers. Email marketing is the most powerful system you can build. Traditional email platforms like MailChimp weren't built for e-commerce. They don't understand abandoned carts, product recommendations, or purchase behavior. Omnisend was literally created for online stores like yours. I wish I had discovered these strategies when I first started researching POD businesses. It would have saved me months of frustration and countless lost opportunities. If you're serious about turning your pod store into a real business that generates consistent revenue, you need professional email marketing. Omnisend gives you everything I showed you today, plus they have a free plan that lets you start with 250 contacts. Click the link in my description to try Omnisend and use my discount code MARIANAMONTOYA to get 30% off your first 3 months. Don't let these 5 mistakes keep killing your sales. Fix them today, and I'll see you in the next video where we dive into advanced email strategies that will take your pod business to the next level. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a great day.